Hi friends, today we are unboxing something super special, so let's get into it. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I have something super special to unbox for you today. It is from the men's Fall Winter 2025 collection, so let's get into it. So I did order this piece online, however, I did get it sent to the store. So my online client advisor sent me a text saying that she has a lookbook that she wanted me to look through to see if I would be interested in any of these pieces. And they were for the LV and Nigo collab drop 2. So she sent me the lookbook, I took a browse. I didn't see this item, however, I did pick out a couple items that I was potentially interested in. So when it came down to pre-ordering for that collection, she was getting everything ready and she said, "Oh, by the way, I have this item also available. Would you be interested in it instead?" And I said, "Oh my god. Scrap everything, let's get this and a couple other pieces." And it arrived at Yorkdale Mall well before launch day, but unfortunately I wasn't able to pick it up in advance. I had to wait until launch day to do so, but it was totally fine. It's here now. So let me show you what I got. This item is a handbag, and it is something that I wanted from a previous collection from 2024. However, by the time I was able to get the funds for it, I just wasn't able to secure it. So I unfortunately missed out on that bag. So when this one came out and then my sales associate messaged me, I was just like, we have to secure this one. Like, there's no way we can't get this. This is the new box, but for some reason this one is a little bit more difficult to open. Any guesses as to what I got? So the bag that I got is the Louis Vuitton shopper tote in saffron. Here is what the shopper tote looks like up close. As you can see, it has a little bit of a graining texture to it, and then it has a Louis Vuitton embossed, as well as there is some imprint stamping here with the Maison Fondier on 1854 Paris. This is what the side of the bag looks like. The back of the bag. The other side. There is no feet, unfortunately, but it does come with a removable and adjustable strap. So this is the strap that it comes with. These buckles are very substantial, so it does come with silver hardware, and the strap also does have a similar texture to the shopping bags as well. So it kind of gives it that like fabric looking texture, but this is also leather as well. This is what the bag looks like on me. I am 5'8" for reference. I will mostly wear this as a shoulder bag on this length. This is probably, I want to say, not the shortest length. There is 3 holes, so I'm on the 4th length. So this does stretch out quite a bit. If you wanted to wear it crossbody, you totally can. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. And then I'll most likely be wearing it just top handle, to be honest with you. And this is the longest setting of the strap, which it kind of hits me perfectly for a crossbody. However, I probably wouldn't wear it like this, to be honest with you. But it is an option if you wanted to. Again, I'm 5'8". Here is the product code if you're interested. However, it is currently sold out on the Louis Vuitton website. Taking a look at the interior, as you can see, there's 2 slit compartments on the one side and then 1 zippered compartment on the other. Actually quite spacious. I thought this bag was honestly going to be a lot smaller, but I'm pleasantly surprised that it isn't. I'll show you a quick comparison to my on-the-go BB, which I thought was going to be the size of this bag. So here's a quick size comparison against the on-the-go BB. I honestly thought it was going to be this size, but I'm pleasantly surprised that it's actually a lot bigger. I can actually fit quite a bit of stuff inside of here. There is a quick side comparison to where the inspiration came from. It is the shopper tote that you usually get when you purchase something from Louis Vuitton, but this one is 100% leather with the inside being textile lining. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. But until next time, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.